Welcome to today's session, Benefits and Limitations of AI and Generative AI. As university students, you're entering a world where AI tools are becoming part of everyday study, work, and life. From helping you draft essays to designing graphics or summarizing lecture notes, AI and GenAI offer enormous value. But not all AI output is reliable, accurate, or ethical to use without reflection. That's what we'll explore today, the two sides of the coin. In this video, we'll go through the top benefits of AI and Gen AI, the common limitations and risks, real-world examples that show both sides, and how to use AI responsibly and wisely. Our goal isn't just to make you users of AI, but smart, ethical, and informed users. You don't need to be a tech expert. You just need curiosity, critical thinking, and an understanding of where AI shines and where it struggles. Let's begin with the exciting part, what Gen AI can do for you. Sadamatnisi and I. Let's look at the 5 big benefits of AI and Gen AI that make them valuable tools in education and professional life. Saves time. AI automates routine tasks like summarizing articles, rephrasing writing, drafting messages, or compiling information from multiple sources. Imagine spending hours reading through 50 pages of a report, or getting a structured summary in 30 seconds with AI. Enhances productivity. Stuck on how to start an assignment? Need content ideas? AI can help you brainstorm faster, you stay in control, but AI gives you a helpful first draft, outline, or list of suggestions to work from. Supports creativity. You can use Gen AI to help write poems, compose melodies, generate visual art, or simulate character dialogue. It becomes a creative co-pilot, never replacing your ideas, but helping you generate, tweak, and explore more. Makes complex tasks simple. Let's say you're struggling to understand a dense academic journal. AI can rephrase it in plain English. It can even translate it into another language or summarize it for quick understanding. Accessible to everyone. No coding or specialized training is required. You just write a prompt like summarize this article in 5 points or design a poster headline for a science fair, and you'll get results instantly. Real-world student example. A business student uses ChatGPT to generate 10 marketing slogan ideas. Within 10 minutes, they have 3 refined drafts and a final version ready to present. The student still reviews and edits, but they saved hours of brainstorming. So, the takeaway is this. AI helps you get started faster, push through blocks, and work more efficiently, especially when used with intention and clarity. As powerful as AI is, it's far from perfect. Now let's explore the limitations of AI and Gen AI, areas where you need to be cautious. Not always accurate AI can present false facts, outdated data, or even fabricate information. It may sound confident, but it doesn't know if it's right. Example, you ask ChatGPT for a journal citation. It gives you a fake article title, author, and even volume number, all of which sound real but are made up. No real understanding AI doesn't think like a human. It doesn't understand context, emotion, or reasoning. It generates text by predicting what comes next based on training data, not by logic or personal experience. That means it can create responses that are off topic, repetitive, or factually shallow. Can reinforce bias. If an AI was trained on biased or unbalanced data, it might reflect that. This is a serious issue in hiring tools, medical AI, or legal analysis where fairness matters. You could unknowingly promote stereotypes or misinformation if you're not careful. Risk of overuse. Over relying on AI can reduce critical thinking and originality. If you copy paste AI generated answers for every assignment, you're not learning, you're outsourcing your brain. Ethical concerns: AI can be misused for plagiarism, copying and submitting AI's work as your own, impersonation, generating content as someone else, misinformation, creating fake facts or news. Student example: a student asks AI to write an essay and submits it without editing. It's flagged for academic dishonesty and lacks personal insight. Even worse, the facts are wrong and it damages their credibility. So remember, use AI as a starting point, not a final product. You are responsible for fact checking, interpreting, and owning your work. Let's now talk about how to use AI responsibly, finding the right balance. It's easy to get excited by AI's power, but that power should be handled with care. Here's a simple framework. Good use. Ask AI to help you brainstorm ideas, refine your writing, or simplify complex topics. Use it to generate templates or outlines that you then build on with your personal knowledge. Translate content for learners or explain concepts to peers using AI generated summaries. Risky use: submitting AI written assignments without editing or acknowledgement, relying on AI generated facts or citations without verifying them, using AI to write personal, legal, or professional messages that you don't fully understand yourself. Example: you ask AI to generate a letter requesting a scholarship extension. That's okay, but you should always review and personalize it before sending. Tone, accuracy, and relevance matter. Tip: always ask yourself three things before using AI content. Is it accurate? Does it reflect my voice or intent? Could this be considered plagiarism or dishonest use? And don't forget, just because AI gave you an answer doesn't mean it's the right answer. Apply your judgment. AI is your tool. You are the editor, the reviewer, and the decision maker. And Fiore. Let's wrap up this session with some important takeaways and a reminder that AI is here to support, not replace you. AI and GenAI are powerful tools. They can save time, increase creativity, and simplify hard tasks if used wisely. But they're not perfect. They can be wrong, biased, or misleading. They can't replace human thought, ethics, or decision making. Responsible use, smart use. Understand what AI can do. Use it to brainstorm, simplify, and support. But don't blindly copy and paste or use it to avoid thinking. Human judgment still matters. AI can assist your writing, but only you can write with your voice. AI can suggest ideas, but only you can decide what's ethical, relevant, or meaningful. Final thought: you don't need to fear AI, but you do need to understand it, respect its limits, and use it with purpose. So next time you open a tool like ChatGPT or Canva AI, remember, you're in charge. Use these tools to express your ideas, not replace them. Thanks for joining this session. Stay curious, stay creative, and use AI with confidence and care. Sarshi Risis, hoi teorius isoliais alda for